Welcome back to another video where we are going to invest $1,000 per trade in each trade by using pocket option 5-second strategy with our parabolic SAR indicator. You can see lots of my video where I have shown you by making trades with this exact strategy, and it is so simple to use that even a complete beginner can start to use it right after watching this video. So I'll quickly explain you the strategy. If you are new, you can understand it in few minutes, and then I'll show you by making trades of $1,000 per trade. So the reason that I'm making $1,000 per trade is to give you confidence that this strategy is one of the strategies that I trust the most, because it is absolutely beginner friendly and it can give you maximum amount of right trade. But I would not suggest you to invest this kind of amount directly in the start. Okay, test it in your demo account and then you can use it in your real account if you think if it is working for you properly. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. But before that, if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. Just read the instructions there and start to copy my trades automatically in your pocket option account. So first thing you need to do is you need to make all of these currency pair favorite. Just make these stars yellow and all of these currency pair will appear at here. Second thing you need to do is you need to click on these candles, click on here and select this S5 as your trading time frame. So all of your candles are of 5 seconds, and make sure these timers are enabled. Here you can see these are the timers. Okay, if you turn it off, then these timers will not show at here, and it is important for you to see these timers are enabled. Okay, in this way. Once you do this much, now you need to put the parabolic SAR indicator in the chart. Just click on these indicators and click on this parabolic SAR, and these dots will be appeared in your screen. Now next thing you need to do is, if it is flag at here, make sure make it clock. Okay, and then click on here and select S5 as your trading time frame. So that means your trading time frame is also now 5 seconds. Your candles are also of 5 seconds and your trading time frame is also of 5 seconds. Now decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. So we'll be investing $1,000 per trade in this video. So I have already told you that. Now let's see by making few trades by using this exact strategy. Now not all of your trades are going to be profitable, but most of your trades are going to be profitable with this strategy. Now we have $4,000 in our account, so let's start to search for the good entry point. Now let me explain you how exactly you need to make trade. So if these dots are forming above the candles, and whenever you see this one dot and second dot is about to form, okay, in 5 seconds these dots keep on forming. Okay, so whenever you see one dot have formed and second dot is about to form, okay, and dots are above the candle, at that time you need to click on lower. Now if your if these candles are below the sorry, if these dots are below the candles and second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher. It is as simple as this. Okay, so now I'll quickly show you by making few trades. Okay, so now I am not going to make any edit to this trading session. Okay, just you watch very carefully. There will be no any edit in this video. Okay, now we are starting with this currency pair. Now we'll switch to another currency pair to find out our entry. We missed a trade at here. We could have made profit at this dot. Here also same thing, we could have made profit. So let's keep on finding where we can make exactly the trade. Yes, second dot have found, but we missed this trade, and it is good thing. Okay, we could have made loss in this trade. So let's find the appropriate place to make the trade. You need to keep on switching this currency pair, okay, so that you can find that dot where you can exactly make the trade. So we missed this also. Here also we could have made profit, but it is just 77% payout, so I am going to delete it. Okay, so let's find Here we missed this trade, and I think it was a good, no, we could have made profit at here. The one dot, you can see now we are going to make another trade because second dot have formed. Okay, and we made a profit at here. Now let's again search in more place where we can make this kind of trades. So second dot have already formed. I could have made trade at here, but second dot have already formed, and it was a good thing. Okay, we could have made loss at here. Second dot have formed, but we missed that trade. Yes, one dot, second dot was about to form here. You can see that's why I made this trade, and we made profit. So here you can see $1,700 is already profit. So I can keep on trading, okay, but it is a high amount of investment, so I think I would stop the trading in profit for today. And $1,700 is a good amount of profit. I could easily lose another trade, okay, but okay, let's begin. Okay, if I will now, what I'll do is I made two trades profitable. Okay, for example, I made two trades profitable, and if I make one trade loss, then I will stop trading for today. Okay, so we'll, until we make one loss, we'll keep on continuing. So in that way we can continue to make our profit, or even stop trading in profit. Okay, so that will be our scenario. So here you can see second dot I found, but we missed that trade. So let's keep on searching for our appropriate. Here you can see second dot I have already found, and we could have made loss at here. That's a good thing. Here one dot, second dot, but we made trade a little bit below. Okay, that is something, and we made a profit. That's a good thing. So whenever we make one loss, we'll stop trading for that day. That would be a good thing to do. Let's keep on finding more currency pair where we can. Here you can see we missed this trade, and we avoided the loss. So let's keep on searching. Here you can see there no any video, no any edit in this is in this video. Okay, we are, whatever trade I am making, I am showing you it clearly, and my investment is $1,000. My hands also shakes a little bit, okay, because $1,000 is a good investment. So here we can, here you can see second dot have found. That's why I made a trade, and we made loss in this trade. Okay, so our totally we made like four trades, in which three were profitable and one was lost. So our initial investment was $4,000. We had $4,000 in our account. Now our profit like $1,620. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in my next video. And also in screen you can see there is one video appearing, like I have turned $10 into $2,571. I think you can watch that video. This is the exact strategy that I have used to do that also. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.